How to enable or disable Cloudflare Always Online in cPanel. Cloudflare keeps serving your website if your server goes offline because of the Always Online feature in Cloudflare. Let's learn how to enable or disable this feature in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Software section and click on the Cloudflare icon. Click to sign in and enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. Click on the Home menu. You can see that there is an on and off button to enable or disable this feature. Currently, it is disabled. Click to enable this feature. That's it, now you know how to enable or disable Cloudflare Always Online feature in cPanel. Thank you for watching.